everybody, we're out on the water now. We are getting after it. Like I said, Karen was in a bit of a rush to get out here, so I'm a little bit behind, but we're out here in Navarre and it's looking great today. You know, we gave it a shot yesterday and it was just gnarly out here. We probably shouldn't have even launched. There were two other people besides us trying to get out here. One guy flipped a couple times trying to get out. One guy flipped trying to get in. We luckily made it out without flipping, but it was definitely gnarly. But we're out here this morning. There's bait everywhere. We've seen some fish busting. We've seen some dolphins. So plenty of life out here today. Hopefully we'll get on some good fish. Hopefully we'll get us some nice kings. It'd be great to get some mahi. Just anything that'll pull some drag, but we'll see what happens. Y'all stick with it. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Feels like a nice king. Man, he's smoking me. Oh, this is a good fish. Woo! What do we got? It's a bobo. Big old bobo just smoked my freaking duster. That's crazy. Get him with the old kill spear. Graveyard. Woo! There we go, first one of the morning. Little football. That's my first fish offshore of 2019. He just smoked that pink duster. Karen's strolling around trying to get her one. Nice little bobo. He's gonna go in the cooler. He'll either turn into strip bait or Karen's mom might wind up eating him. That's a nice one either way. Nice. All right, Karen's on one. Keep that line tight. Keep your... Oh no. I don't know. Oh yeah. That feels kingish. Woo! What do we got? I'm thinking it's a king by the way he smoked me. It's a king. It's a good king. It's a real good king. Calm down there, buddy. Oh, missed. Oh, missed him again. Oh, forget that. Nice. Woo! All right. Second fish of the morning. It's a nice king. Good old smoker there. Woo! Heck yeah. First king of the year for me right there. Nice. Oh! I got a mahi.
My mahi. My first.
Oh, oh yeah, no! Played around with him too much, he got off. There must be a group of them around here. Dang, man.
I thought you were landing him in the boat.
I should have. I was worried I'd get him up and he'd flop off, but
You just chunked him straight in.
yep. Dang it. Bad.
Huh?
This one doesn't feel bad. All right. What do we got? Oh. Oh my gosh.
You don't want to go. You're not ready to go.
I tell you, he's smoking me. Be nice if this was a cobia. Oh! Well, watch your line. Oh gosh. This is about to be a mess.
Oh, dang it.
You're in my drive. Oh gosh. We're about to get tangled up. Quit reeling, quit reeling. Reel in some. I'm all up in your line. All right, reel fast. All right, hang on. All right, reel. There we go.
Sorry about that.
Oh, that's all right.
I didn't even think about it. Couple more chips.
Big old boo-boo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh, that must have hit the vein just perfect.
Yeah, I see blood just gushing out of him.
There's the third fish of the day. He is just leaking. I hit him just on the money with the gap shot there, but there's the third fish. So we're up to 2 bobos and a king. Lost 3 mahis. But that hadn't been a bad day. Hadn't been a bad day at all. Hopefully we can get us some more mahis though. Oh, there's one right behind him too, Karen. There's 3 of them. They're all around us. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I think one hit my duster too. kind of what I'm thinking. I can get you rigged up. Alright guys, well, this is a little crazy when I hooked it. I threw it straight in the cooler, didn't do much talking because I really didn't want this one getting away. But it got me my Mahi. You know, this was the first trip out this year that we've actually been able to fish. You know, like I said, yesterday we got out, but we weren't really able to fish because of how rough it was. Probably should have just stayed on the beach yesterday, but still gave it a shot. But we got out here this morning. I got a king, got a couple bonitas, got a mahi. We've hooked quite a few mahi, so it's been a great day so far. I think we're probably going to be heading in here for too long. If I don't get any more fish in between now and then, I will see y'all at the truck. Alright y'all, that is going to do it for today's video. I am back at the house now. You know, for our first trip out, you know, first trip being able to fish. Like I mentioned, we went out the day before, but it wasn't good. But for the first real trip out offshore this year, you know, it was a great trip. Ended up with one king, a mahi, couple bonita. You know, we hooked a lot of mahi. We lost some mahi. Karen lost some pretty nice ones, so it hurt not being able to get those in. You know, they would have made some pretty good sandwiches, but that's all right. We got one sandwich at least for each of us, so we are going to eat that up. We're looking forward to that. But you know, it's getting right. So we got a lot of content coming. You know, I apologize that I've been so slow with it lately, but it's just I've been slammed with charters. So I've just been slam busy, but got a lot of content coming. I'm buckling down. I'm getting some out. You know, I got this, and I got a travel series coming up here soon. Went up to old New York, did a little fishing up there, but I got plenty of video from that, so that'll be coming up soon. So y'all stick tuned for that. But you know, like I said, I appreciate all the support, every like, every comment, every subscribe. If you guys aren't subscribed up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I appreciate every bit of it. But I will catch y'all in the next video, and I will see y'all then.